30-day meditation challenge, day 15. Welcome back. Today we're going to do a visualization meditation. And here's what I'd like you to do. When we close our eyes, we're going to picture a circle or a ball. So think about a color that you like, that you find pleasant or enjoyable. And as we meditate, as we just breathe and be and relax, we're going to visualize or picture a circle. I'm going to pick the color purple. Or it could be a ball. It can be a solid circle, that's a ball, or can just be the outline of a circle. Whatever works best for you. And again, we're just experimenting. This is kind of a playful little thing. And what we're going to do is we're just going to sit here for a few minutes and inhale and exhale, inhale, exhale, breathe, relax, just be. Give ourselves a little bit of a mental and a physical break from whatever we've been doing. And we're going to try to picture that circle or that ball. And each time we inhale, the circle grows. And as we exhale, the circle shrinks back down. And see if you can match your breathing to that circle enlarging and shrinking, and see how that goes for you. If you're not great at picturing things or you're not great at visualizing, I'm not either. I kind of struggle with it. So I'm going to throw up a screen here. And if it's easier for you, you can look at the screen and watch the image that I have on the screen as it expands and contracts. Maybe just kind of keep your eyes tracked to that, match your breathing to it, and then let's see how we're feeling at the end of this meditation. Okay? All right. But do try with your eyes closed first and picturing that circle or that ball and see if you can do that. All right. So here we go. I hope you're sitting comfy and you have turned off your phone and there won't be any distractions. Let's go ahead and close our eyes and I'll get us started. And then I'm going to be quiet for a few minutes so we can try this on our own. All right, let's take one big full breath to get started. So inhale as full as you can, and then exhale, blow all that old stale air out. Exhale completely. After that, you might want to take a couple more deep breaths or kind of slow down your breathing. Eyes closed. We're going to picture that circle or that ball now. And let's start taking a few breaths together. So we inhale and that ball expands. And we exhale and that ball shrinks. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now continue on your own. I'll watch the time. And in just a few minutes, you'll hear my voice again. And we'll wrap up this meditation. I'm back. Take your time. No need to rush out of this. As a matter of fact, you can stay here and continue for as long as you'd like. I'm curious how that went. I'd love it if you would drop down in the comments and let me know how that one went for you. Not everything's going to work for everybody. It's why we are experimenting with a lot of different approaches. I want to congratulate you for showing up today and giving it a try. I do appreciate you being here. And I'll be back tomorrow.